Nikon D7100 Quick Tutorials. Selective Color Video. British English. Some evocative and arresting images and video clips can be captured using the selective color effect. All colors other than 1, 2 or 3 specially selected colors are recorded in black and white. Here, the only color in the image and video is red.
Not much effect on a black and white cat though.
Step 1. Turn on. Step 2. Depress Mode Dial Lock button and turn Mode Dial to Effects. Step 3. Select a live view, camera mode. Step 4. Turn main command dial to find selective color. Step 5. Press OK button to begin choosing colors. Step 6. Use main command dial to change between color selections and color intensity adjustment. Step 7. With the leftmost color box selected, aim framing square at the desired color. Step 8. Press up arrow to select color. Selection will automatically move to intensity settings. Step 9. Play with intensity, using up and down arrows. A high value will result in wider tonal range, i.e. more colors similar to the selected color will be included. Step 10. Press OK if happy with one color only. Or, turn main command dial another notch to select a second color if desired. Note: press delete button to remove color again, if required. Step 11. As before, frame a color in the center box and press up arrow to lock it in. Step 12. Turn main command dial to adjust second color intensity or move to third colors if desired. Step 13. When you are happy with the selection, press OK to activate settings. Step 14. Now for recording video, change a live view selector to video mode. Step 15. Record video as normal using little red record button. Quick summary. Turn on camera. Mode dial to effects live view mode. Command dial to selective color. Press OK and point at desired color. Press up arrow to select color. Command dial to cycle between colors and intensity settings. Up/down arrow keys to change intensity. Press OK and take photo or switch to live view video mode. Record video. Get creative.
Creative?
Yep, creative. That's it. I hope this helped. Thanks.
Oh. And thank you, nice clear British English voice.